Poppin' Snow Gang. I just checked my Bitcoin account, man. It's going up, son. It's something to invest in right now if you can afford it. Think of Bitcoin as a savings account that earns you money. If you can spare a few dollars to put aside, don't buy those J's, don't buy the new Xbox, buy Bitcoin and just let it sit. You might have to let it sit for months, but it will earn you money. And by the time you pull it out, you'll pull out more than you put in. Do your research. Google Bitcoin, figure out what it is, and then if you with it, invest you a little bit, because I'm gonna tell you something. Digital currency is gonna be a thing soon. I dead ass forgot that I booked this acting class because I booked it months ago. My phone just reminded me like, hey bro, you got acting class today. And I'm like, oh. So I didn't really study the lines. I kind of glanced over them. I'm working on being a responsible adult. Siri, you talking out of turn, Siri. All right now. Like I was saying, I'm working on my adulting skills, man. I just got over the fact that I have to open mail on a daily basis, so keeping my schedule is next on my list. That was the first acting class I've actually ever taken, but it was a good idea. Turns out I'm already a terrible actor, so I can only go up from here. This time next year I'm gonna be on billboards, you feel me? That's just how it's gonna happen. I'm trying to get all the bags. I ain't trying to stop at 7 streams of revenue. I'm trying to get 18, you feel me? And then more after that. I want to go to sleep and my money make money. I'm trying to get into the tax bracket Trump's making for the rich people. I signed up for this mic. I'm at the world famous Comedy Store. They have a potluck on Mondays. A lot of people don't really f with the potluck, mostly because they say it's rigged and they only pick names that they, you know, people that they know and shit, which I believe is some truth to that, because, you know, people be trying to get on this potluck for months, years, and get on it like one time, but it's worth a shot.
2 hours later.
Want a sneak peek of what it's like living next to where they have fires and shit all the time? Young garbage, all dusty. That's all ash and dust and smoke from a fire. All of that is smoke. It's not clouds. About to cook right now, you know what I'm saying? Got my little stuff laid out from Blue Apron, because, you know, I'm with Blue Apron because they send me just enough. Thing is, I'm so not a chef, I don't even recognize what it is that they send me sometimes. Like right now, I know what the sweet potato is. Which one is the turnip? Because this has the tail on it, and none of these have tails. No tail. I've never seen one of these. What is that? Which one of y'all like to turn up? I feel like my mom was over niggas by the time she had me. Cause yo, I would do this all day if I could. It's like practicing. It's just like, let's see who's alive, you know, say something until one of them moves. It's like Westworld in here. I'm about to see Smart, Funny, and Black. If Amanda Seal's Smart, Funny, and Black comedy show is ever in your town, I encourage you to see it. It's really dope. This is the 405 freeway on a Wednesday morning. I've never seen this freeway this empty at 9 in the morning on a Wednesday, man. Those fires are crazy. Ah, there it is. There's that traffic. That's a ground, Monty. That's a ground. Oh, you can actually see the firemen doing the fire fighting. Look at that fire. Damn, you can see somebody's house up there. Or like there's literally a couple of houses on fire right now. Like, damn, son, that sucks. Right before Christmas, your house burned down? Your whole fucking house? Damn. My prayers go out to these people's families, because that sucks, yo. And I would also like to thank God for blessing me with this open 405 so I can get to this appointment even though I'm dumb late. Man, I wish I could take you everywhere with me when I'm in the hospital.
Why?
You just make this too easy. Most people don't even get blood. So check it. It's important for anybody to hydrate. For a sickle cell patient, it's extremely vital to stay hydrated. And flights dehydrate me like crazy. So before I take a flight or a trip out the country, out the state, I gotta come here to the sickle cell clinic to get fluids. Man, I love coming here because it's always black people. It's always love. They know what they're doing, and they're just so eager to help you. They get the IV on the first try. I can't tell you how many times I've gone to the ER or the hospital, and some nurse tries to put an IV in my arm, and they miss the vein, or the vein doesn't work, or they don't get it, and they have to try again and again. I'm grateful that these people here got great aim, and they know how to get it done like that. I got my blanket, my snacks, my book. Time to hydrate. We in the Dominican right now. Hey, getting a tour. Me and my boy Brian, Flory, our beautiful tour guide. Wait. If you want to see more JSnow, all in the videos, all on your screen, talking, share this video right now. Like, comment, and subscribe. That's all you gotta do. Can't grow without the support. There's more. I'm waiting. Hola. Hola. Snow. On our private little beach area, got the little massage thing right there. I'm gonna around and get a massage sometime soon.
If you want a disco, you can go to Imagine. Imagine is a natural cave.
Yeah.
And it's a disco inside.
Really?
Yeah.
It's really nice. It's like an American $5 bill. 200 pesos. They look angry.
Gracias por llamar a Papa John's. Mejor antes le atenderá. Por favor, espere.
Bienvenido a Papa John's. Original existe, lleve una pizza grande más variada y breakfast por 1,150 pesos. ¿Cómo le ayudo?
¿Habla inglés?
No.
Okay, uno momento. Need to use Google Translator real quick. No, she hung up! Quiero una pizza grande de salchichones con tocino. Say it again.
Quiero una pizza grande de salchichones con tocino.
Con tocino, okay. Con tocino.
Bienvenido a Papa John's, la pizza por esa oferta. Pizza grande, media libre, 1,150. ¿Cómo me apoyas?
No, gracias. Quiero una pizza grande de salchichones con tinciono.
La pasada a buscar el delivery.
¿Qué?
¿De delivery o carriado?
Delivery.
Ok, no me levantes la habla.
Un momento. 210. Like, delivery's not gonna work here. Nigga, we gotta go pick some shit up. I don't even give a nigga a chance if you don't speak English. At least in America, we'll like, yeah, a few times until we try to understand what it is you're saying. These motherfuckers don't even give you a chance. They just, nah. About to head to this club that's in a cave. I ain't never been to a club in a cave, so I'm a little excited.
You might see Batman.
I know, right? Dominican Batman. ¿Dónde está el niño? ¿Dónde está el niño?
It's ironic. I had the blue, she had the chronic. The Lakers beat the Supersonics. Felt on the big fat fanny. Pulled out the jammy and killed the poop nanny.
It started off weak, then it got kind of cool. I'm not mad at coming. There's bats in this fucking cave, yo. Real, live bats. Share. Today, looking for Venezuelan or Dominican food. I want to try all the cultured food and taste all the nice things here. I don't know what accent that was. Está un breakfast burrito. Huevos, pineapple, banana. Every like 20 feet we walk on this beach, we get approached by another person trying to sell us some shit. Or take us somewhere. Or invite us to an office in a dark alley. Or sell some mainly trying to sell pussy. A dude was sitting there talking to his girlfriend and we walked by, he was like, hey, you want someone to show you a good time? It's like, God damn, you didn't even look at us. She just like, yeah, she just looked down like, oh, here we go again. I thought we was hanging out, it's Friday. Like, he like into it.
I'm telling you.
I guess you gotta get it where you can, you know, if you don't speak, you don't eat. It's true. You might be able to get some shit for free.
Gotta figure out how many numbers on the room level.
Yeah. I mean, I'm down to walk back there and figure it out. We just, you know what? I'm not even gonna say it out loud. It's on the screen somewhere. All these motherfuckers pay hella money. You know, they food had a lot of great seasoning, but I swear the best ingredient to food is free. If you can put a little free on your food, man, I don't care what it is, it's gonna taste delicious. I wanna say it's like hour 3 of us being on this resort. And you finessing about 4 drinks, 2-3 meals. Am I proud about it? No, but kind of. Yes. I'm there. I'm enjoying myself. You enjoying yourself? Yeah. Definitely. I would like to commend the resort staff for their superb job. You know, they're just on point with everything. They come get your plates after you eat. They serve you drinks until you're full. Great job overall. Bravo to the staff of this resort. They're doing an excellent job. Now, security, on the other hand, trash.
Straight trash.
They could use some work. Today, we headed to Saona, an island off the coast of the country, I guess. God damn, it's 7:20 a.m. and it's warm as f outside, yo. Perfect. That is amazing. It never changes temperature, no matter what time it is. Anyway, so we're running late. We're supposed to be on this truck at like 7:15. It's 7:26 or 7:30. We had a late night. All right, all that tequila and alcohol and getting persuaded by prostitutes and hustlers. It took a lot out of us. I'm excited. We get to see crystal clear waters, beautiful bonitas. Should be interesting. So we just got our seats switched around for the VIP treatment, and we're joined by these two ladies from Romania.
Yes.
Romania, and we're all going to the same island, and we don't know who got the shittier deal.
I believe you did.
I believe we did too, because we're apparently paying more.
So you say you love your babe, but he slap you on the face, treat you bad and call you names. Then you say that love is to blame. So you want to be a sports star, but you're too lazy to work hard. You have dreams that Jay-Z will sign you. Stay on the couch, cause that's where he'll find you. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Everybody leave your truths at the door. You won't need them when you're bored, cause your lies will keep you warm. In the night, take a trip with me. Close your eyes and you will be. Cause your life was filled with lies.
All right. I'm taking big risks being out here, and the water just is like the cherry on top sometimes. I don't know, in a matter of like maybe 30 minutes if that was a bad idea. We have arrived. All right, so let me give you the tour of the estate, okay? Over there is El Baño. Over here is El Bardo. Over there is El Bateo. And all of this is owned by me. El Mío.
Hey Frank, let me tell you something.
It's disgusting. I thought this would taste way better, but no. Actually, I heard it's really healthy for you, so.
First of all, that part right there looks so hard.
I know, it's like the cocoa nutted.
You get 2 more puns and you're done.
Man, I'm gonna be full of puns out here. We saw 2 big ass birds, right? And they looked like hawks. So I was like, what kind of birds are those? He was like, I don't know. I said, are they Seahawks?
Watch out. All woman. All woman. Separe. Watch out, my brother. Watch out, my brother.
All of them?
She's my girlfriend.
That's your girlfriend?
She's my girlfriend. She's my sister.
That's your sister?
Yes.
Hola everybody, it's Simone. My Snapchat is Simone Lanise. That's with 2 E's. LANISEE_.
Hey,
Get at me.
Okay, hey, get at her.
Hey,
Okay. Did your brother see that? No. Okay,
No, he didn't see that. Right.
All the women out here think that me and Brian are Dominican. I don't know why. I guess it's because we look Dominican, or our skin color, curly hair. Who the knows?
No.
There's 2 ways they can blow my cover. When the song comes on, and when someone speaks in Spanish. I'm otherwise, like from afar, I'm Dominican as
Oh, they're gonna be like,
Hey, he's a phony.
He's a phony.
He's a phony.
I'm definitely gonna learn how to speak Spanish because I'm gonna push that card pretty hard back home. As soon as I get back to LA, I'm Dominican, baby. Mommy.
Mommy.
Hey, mommy.
Come here.
Mommy. Come here. Dominican.
My germs.
I feel like Tony Montana. Hey, chico, ¿qué te llevo? Look at how sunny it is, and it's raining right now. Oh shit, it's really raining. Cristiano Ronaldo, Jay-Z. Crazy, man. This is crazy. I was Jay-Z, I was Wiz Khalifa. I'm everything but JSnow. Alright, so everybody's getting in the water, but the way my blood is set up, I don't know if it's a great idea for me. This may be where my trip stops. You can go in the water, not me. Today was a good day. A day in nature that doesn't end in pain is a great day para mí.
We are on the hunt for El Portico Restaurante, where they serve 5-star foods, according to one Yelp review.
Okay. Red snapper on the fritas, the papitas fritas.
I'm trying to find El Portico on Yelp, but did not find Portico on Yelp. Therefore, the stars go to the sky.
Despacito.
Business?
Oh, my fault. I just withdrew 9,000. You know what I'm saying? I got it like that, you feel me? Me llamo Snow.
No.
Snow.
No. Stefan.
Stephanie, nice to meet you, Stephanie. Stephanie got kids. Stephanie got kids.
You can't take that back.
No?
No.
Can't take us back to America?
Yes.
You can?
Yes. 100 cigars per person.
Every place I ever visited, I buy a shot glass. Every state, every country. There goes color again, f***ing with my mind. What color is that? Blue?
Yep.
Okay. I thought this was purple. I low-key wanted to grab this the whole time, but I thought it was purple. Are you sure it's not purple? This shit look purple as f***. Serious.
Right here, that's purple. Right here is blue.
These are two different colors?
Yeah.
That's why I can't trust people, yo. I didn't think you would. Oh, wow, look at that. It's Shaft. Who is the man that comes up on your mantle?
You want
Shaft.
this one or that one?
Papa John's. Papa, go f yourself. Dos palabras. Hey, if Dr. King had a car named after him, what would it be called?
I swear to God.
It'd be called a march. Get it? Dr. King had a car. It'd be called March. You get it, right?
We also got churrasco, T-bone, steak, you know?
Yo, my man, what's up?
They go straight New York.
Yeah, like
Hey, B. Hey, son.
B, what's poppin', son? Salud.
Salud.
Woo!
But you love it, you bounce down and out, but you still have love for me.
You think he's loyal, but he cheated to get with you. You're in denial. You think you're balling hard, but you ball your girlfriend's car. You're in denial. If you dance on pose for money, but you say that you're not a stripper. You're a stripper. You're in denial.
Back to life, back to reality.
We are not in business.
It's not in there?
It's swollen.
Back to life, back to reality.
140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140. 140.
I get excited when I see vans. I get excited when I see vans. I get excited when I see vans.
Are you going right there?
Mm-hmm. What do you want me to do?
No. Go where you feel comfortable.
Okay.
Are you gonna tell me?
Okay.
But see, you weren't gonna turn, and I knew that.
I'm like, oh my god.
So anyway, I gotta go get this. But she'll get you back on time. If you gotta be.
Did you share it yet?
Boy, you crazy fool, you!
That's a park. That's a park full of sign flippers practicing sign flipping. It's like seeing a unicorn.